What are the best picks for kitchen knives right now? It's a huge question, but today we have got some answers. We have got 6 honorable mentions. We prepared these lists according to their price, performance, battery life, and more. Stay tuned till the end of the video as it is not mentioned in the exact order. For more information and the latest prices, refer to the description below. Mac knife. The Mac Mighty MTH-80 is one of the favorite knife because it's really sharp and will also stay that way longer than most other knives. It was the standout favorite for all our testers, regardless of their cutting style or the size of their hands. We found it had the best weight and balance. It felt more agile than the German models and more durable than the thin Japanese gyutos. The MTH-80's blade shape strikes the perfect middle ground between German and Japanese chef's knives, curved just enough for rocking, but still straight enough for push-pull choppers. The MTH-80 always made clean cuts through fibrous carrots. The cut edges of basil stayed mostly green with very little oxidation. Global, 8-inch. Unlike knives with an attached handle, this knife is made from stainless steels with no joints, rivets, or corners where food could accumulate. To provide a better grips, the handle has dimples that creates a textured surfaces. The knife is designed to be rather lightweight despite being made entirely from metals, so it's easy to wield. Made from molybdenum, vanadium stainless steels, the blade is razor sharp and will retain its edge. This knife comes with a lifetime warranty against breakages. The most unique feature of this knife is its design, one solid piece of metals with a dimpled handle. Some of the people would have liked the handles to be more ergonomic and comfortable to use, but they also found the no-frills designs appealing and noted that it was also well-balanced and also lightweight. It also performed beautifully on the paper slice tests, leaving clean cuts in both times. Tomatoes were easy to cut, even into thin slice. The knife was easy to maneuver to crush garlic clove and then mince them. WÜSTHOF Classic IKON. The WÜSTHOF Classic IKON 8 inches chef's knife is a premium kitchen tool that exemplifies exceptional craftsmanship, precision, and durability. Meticulously crafted in Germany, this chef's knife is designed to elevate your culinary experience. The blade of the classic IKON chef's knife is forged from high-carbon stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and resistance to corrosion. With its 8-inch length, it offers optimal balance between the maneuverability and versatility, allowing you to effortlessly handle a wide range of tasks, from slicing and dicing to chopping and mincing. The ergonomic handle of the knife is made from durable synthetic material and features a triple riveted design, providing a comfortable and secure grip for precise control. The handle's contoured shape enhances both comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The precision edge of the classic IKON chef's knife is sharpened using WÜSTHOF's proprietary precision edge technology, PTEC. Ninja K 30020. Ninja's 8-inch chef's knife is an all-around great knife. The rounded handle is comfortable and the knife is well-balanced, making it easy to handle. The stainless steel blade is tough and holds an edge well. We've been using this knife daily for 2 months and felt the need to sharpen it only twice. There are more expensive knives in this guide that are better in some ways, but for most people, this is the best combination of quality and price. The blade of the Ninja K 30020 Foodie Never Dull System chef knife is made from high-quality German stainless steel, known for its strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. The 8-inch length provides excellent versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks in the kitchen. The ergonomic handle of the chef knife offers a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for precise control and reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The balanced weight distribution further enhances control and maneuverability. It is a reliable and versatile tool for both professional chefs and home cooks. Experience effortless cutting and enjoy the benefits of high-quality German stainless steel in your culinary endeavors. Victorinox Fibrox Pro. If the Victorinox name seems familiar, that's probably because it manufactures the very popular Swiss Army knives. Like those knives, this one is also made in Switzerland. The 8-inch blades on this knife is made from high-carbon stainless steels that will maintain its super sharp edges. The blade is straight with a gently curved tip that encourages a rocking motions, so it's also great for slicing meat. The handle is made from proprietary Fibrox materials that is textured to provide a non-slip grip, and it's designed to provide an ergonomic feeling. The paper slice test in the lab left fuzzy edges both times, but the paper didn't tear. While slicing a tomato, the first slice was fine, though further clean slices were tougher to get. However, the tomato didn't tear either. Garlic cloves were easily smashed and neatly minced. Most were able to cut through an onion skin, but noted the knife felt like it could have been more nimble. The Victorinox also cuts through and cubed a heavy butternut squash without any issue. When cleaning, lab testers discovered the blade to be a bit streaky and spotty after being washed, but noted that for the price points, it's still a good. Yoshihiro VG10. The Yoshihiro VG10 16-layer hammered Damascus Judo Japanese chef's knife is a remarkable culinary tool that combines traditional Japanese craftsmanship with modern technology. This chef's knife is meticulously crafted to deliver exceptional performance and stunning aesthetics. The blade of the Yoshihiro gyuto knife is forged with VG10 stainless steel, known for its exceptional sharpness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The 16-layer hammered Damascus pattern adds both visual appeals and helps prevent food from sticking to the blade. With a length of 7 inches, 180 mm, the gyuto knife offers versatility for various cutting tasks in the kitchen. It excels in slicing, dicing, and chopping, making it a go-to tool for professional chefs and home cooks alike. The ergonomic handle is constructed from durable and moisture-resistant materials, providing a comfortable and secure grip for precise control. The balance and weight distribution of the knife contributes to its maneuverability and ease of use. Whether you're a professional chef or a cooking enthusiast, the Yoshihiro VG10 16-layer hammered Damascus Judo Japanese chef's knife is a premium choice to elevate your culinary experience with its exceptional performance, durability, and stunning aesthetics. To hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.